Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the device has sufficient charge. Avoid sudden shutdowns while changing settings. Next, open the Settings app, tap the gear icon, or use the search field to jump straight to it. Once in Settings, navigate to the Battery or Power section. This groups all power-saving options together so you can make consistent changes without toggling multiple menus. Make sure to stay in the top-level battery view rather than deep app-specific pages, because the master toggles live there. Once in the battery area, locate the power saver or low power mode toggle and switch it off. That immediately restores normal performance. Then, disable adaptive brightness if it's dimming excessively, and turn off CPU throttling or performance limits that reduce clock speeds. These are often separate switches. Also, inspect background app limits or app sleep lists and remove critical apps from those restrictions so notifications and sync continue. Make changes deliberately. Turning everything on at once can spike battery use. To finalize, restart your device. A reboot ensures system services pick up the new power profile. After restart, verify changes by running typical tasks, open apps, stream video, and monitor responsiveness so you know the device behaves as expected. If power saving persists, reset power settings to defaults or clear system cache. Sometimes a stale service keeps the old profile. If problems continue, check battery or system logs for conflicting apps, and consider uninstalling the offender or updating firmware to resolve lingering restrictions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.